Hello, here we have Danfoss on-wall simple display thermostat. Activating arrow, we can see the actual temperature in a room. We can regulate like this, going down or going up. This is our set point, let's say 22 degrees, and we confirm. It has few programmable options to set. We push and hold the arrow. We have menu 1 and menu 2. On menu 1 we can limit highest temperature or we can limit lowest temperature. So let's see, 5 degrees or higher. If we make minimum and maximum temperatures the same, thermostat will be locked. Okay, here we have also menu 2. Menu 2 is simple software version. Being in menu 1 or menu 2, we push and hold the arrow, and then we enter even deeper into menu 3 and menu 4. Menu 3 is type of actuator. It can be NC type or NL type. It depends what kind of actuator we have connected. Normally closed means without electricity is closed, and normally open actuator is without electricity is open. Confirm, let's say we have NO, normally open actuator, and we enter menu 4. On menu 4 we have actuator reaction. It can be slow, medium or fast. So fast is used for radiators in case we are regulating radiator. Medium is used for soft underfloor heating, something like a Danfoss speed up system, and slow reaction time is used for regular concrete based or wet underfloor heating system. So the most common is slow reaction for underfloor heating, and pipes are being installed into concrete. So that's pretty much about this kind of thermostat. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.